Hello and welcome to Mommy's Tiny. Let us learn Eat a Rainbow Song.
Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. I can eat a rainbow, you can eat a rainbow too. Calcium, iron, protein, and fiber.
You can get from vegetables. I can eat the rainbow. Yes, I can eat the rainbow. You can eat the rainbow too.
Orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. I can eat the rainbow, you can eat the rainbow too. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet.
Two. I can eat a rainbow. Yes, I can eat a rainbow. You can eat a rainbow too.
vitamins, calcium, iron, protein, fiber too.
You can get from vegetables. It is recommended that at least 2 foods from each color group shall be consumed daily, and here are some benefits of that. So I hope if the parents are aware of this thing, the kids will be always healthy. Please share with other parents and subscribe to our channel. Please visit to our YouTube channel to watch other kids videos and many trekking videos. Monsoon is still on. You can visit our weekend planner series which is related to all the monsoon vlogs which shows you uncrowded places. So please like, share and comment to our channel.